In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your DNS settings in GoDaddy Domain Portfolio to connect your domain to your WordPress hosting. To get started, sign in to your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is where you can view and manage the domains connected to your account. Once you're there, find the domain you want to connect to your WordPress website and click Manage DNS. This will take you to the DNS management area, where you can control how your domain points to your hosting provider. Now look for the A record with the host set to the @ symbol, which represents the root version of your domain. This is the main record that tells your domain where your website is hosted. You'll want to change the value of this A record so it matches the server IP address provided by your WordPress hosting company. Be careful when entering this information, because even a small typo can prevent your domain from loading correctly. If you're copying the IP address from your hosting dashboard, it's a good idea to paste it directly to avoid mistakes. After that, find the sname record for www. This record controls the version of your domain that includes www at the beginning. Update the www CNAME so that it points to the @ symbol or directly to your domain, depending on the format GoDaddy allows in the DNS field. The goal here is to make sure both versions of your site, with and without www, lead visitors to the same destination. This helps keep your domain set up clean and ensures a consistent experience for anyone visiting your website. Once both records have been updated, save your DNS changes. At this point, the new settings are submitted, but they may not take effect immediately. DNS changes usually require some time to propagate across the internet. In some cases, the update can happen fairly quickly, but it may also take several hours and sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours, depending on your provider and local DNS caching. While you're waiting, avoid making repeated changes unless something is definitely incorrect, since that can create confusion and delay troubleshooting. If your site doesn't appear right away, that's completely normal. Just give it a little time